Okay, so for anyone that's never been to my house before, my life is like a hot mess. Like a hot mess. And I'm also like the best procrastinator of all time. Right now, I think I have maybe like the dirtiest room on planet Earth. Like, it's just full of crap. And I really don't feel like cleaning it. I don't feel like cleaning it. I don't feel like doing my laundry. I don't feel like doing any of that. So here's a list of things that I would rather do than clean my room. Kermie hat. Marble hat. Double lions. Beer smoothie. Banana face. Grow a beard. Popcorn hands. Peanut butter face. Peanut butter and jelly face. Peanut butter and jelly toilet paper hat face. Chili face. Chili face noodle punch. Bake a Kermit. Bake a marbles. Make baby food. Eat chocolate. Smoke chocolate. Throw up from smoking chocolate. Cry about your life. Peanut butter dog face. Snort chocolate. Throw up from snorting chocolate. Turtle backpack turtle spin. Cry about your life until you throw up. So yeah, that's what I did today instead of cleaning my room. It was a productive day. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I also have a vlog channel and another random video channel that you can subscribe to as well for more videos. And if you guys want to make a video response or leave in the comments things that you like to do instead of cleaning your room or instead of your grown-up responsibilities, leave them in the comments or make me a video response. I'd love to post them on my blog. So yeah, that's about it. Right? Yeah, you're done. We make